Hi friends, it's Miss Marissa from the Farmingdale Public Library, and I'm just going to show you how to have some fun with an egg carton that's left over. Mine's a little bit cut up, but the paper ones work pretty much the best, but if all you have is styrofoam, that works too. If you're going to use a styrofoam one, your best bet's going to be probably crayons or markers, whereas with the paper ones, you can paint them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this long piece here, and I'm going to paint it to look like the Very Hungry Caterpillar. So I'm going to take my green paint and my red paint, and I'm going to get started. It's very easy. So you'll start and you'll just paint each one all the way through, just like this. And you'll just keep going, and then when you get to the very front, you'll want to make the very first one red, because the Very Hungry Caterpillar has a red head and a green body. And it's simple and easy, just like that. Yep. And not all caterpillars are going to look like the Very Hungry Caterpillar. A lot of them out in the yard are some of them are gonna be orange and green and black and all different kinds of colors. But this one is special. So he's got his red head. And just like that. Nice and easy. A green body. And you don't have to just do caterpillars, you can do anything. This one I made a purple monster alien, a little minion friend, or even a little flower. If you want to make a flower, you just take when it's like this and you cut it into 4 little pieces, and voila, easy does it. Have a great day.